Are you a mid-career professional looking for a career change? Or maybe a non-technical person who wants to learn SQL as an extra skill? Or perhaps you're planning to step into the world of data after 40, but still wondering if it's too late. This video is for you. Your biggest asset isn't youth, it's experience. You already understand how businesses work. You know the processes. You've worked with data, in spreadsheets, in reports, in meetings. You already know what the numbers mean. Now, you just want to speak their language. That's what SQL gives you. And you're not alone. Every week, thousands of mid-career professionals search for answers. Is it too late to learn coding at 40? How can I move into data at 45? The truth is, it's never too late. You bring something younger learners don't: experience, patience, and purpose. And now, you have something even more powerful. That's your secret advantage. AI has changed coding forever. You can write a prompt, describe your problem, and watch the code appear in seconds. But here's the truth. Without fundamentals, that code means nothing. If you don't understand how data works, you won't know how to use what AI gives you. That's where your experience comes in. The real secret isn't speed, it's understanding. As a data warehouse manager, my advice is simple. Learn the skill fundamentals first. Then, use AI not just to write code, but to solve problems. You need to step into a problem solver's mindset, not a coder's mindset. That's where your true advantage lies. You may not outcode someone with 20 years of syntax memorized, but you can outthink them with your experience, your perspective, and your ability to define the problem clearly and guide it toward a solution. That's the mindset that wins in the age of AI. And this is where this channel helps you. We're going to practice together. Every line of SQL you write makes you better. Think of this as a 10,000 lines of code challenge. Write 10,000 lines of SQL, and watch how much your skills and your confidence grow.